Welcome to A Revolution in Business, the Pi Network and its GCV ecosystem. This is more than just a new technology. It's a movement that's reshaping how people connect, trade, and build value together in the digital world. Imagine millions of people from every corner of the globe united by a shared vision for a new inclusive economy. It's a community where everyone has a voice and a stake in the future, regardless of background or experience. The Pi network isn't just another digital currency. It's a global movement mined by everyday people, right from their phones. Anyone can participate, making digital currency accessible to all, not just a select few with expensive equipment or technical know-how. What truly sets it apart is the GCV ecosystem, a vibrant marketplace where digital currency meets real-world goods and services. Here, digital coins aren't just numbers on a screen. They become tools for real transactions, empowering people to buy, sell, and trade in new ways. In this ecosystem, businesses connect directly with a massive, engaged customer base. It's a place where small businesses and entrepreneurs can thrive, reaching people who are eager to support innovation and new ideas. Value is co-created here. Customers aren't just buyers. They become your biggest supporters and advocates. Every transaction strengthens the community, building trust and loyalty that goes beyond traditional business relationships. For entrepreneurs, this means opportunity, a launchpad to thrive in the digital age. Whether you're starting a new venture or growing an existing one, the GCV ecosystem offers the tools and audience you need to succeed. The GCV ecosystem connects you with millions who are eager to support forward-thinking businesses. It's a network built on collaboration, innovation, and shared success. This is your chance to get ahead of the curve and redefine your business journey. Embrace the future and be part of a movement that's changing the way the world does business. Technology has changed how we live. Now, it's changing money itself. Digital currencies are opening doors to new possibilities, making financial systems more accessible and transparent for everyone. The GCV ecosystem is the next step in this evolution, blending technology, community, and commerce into a seamless experience that benefits all participants. Don't miss your front row seat to this transformation. The future of business and money is unfolding right before our eyes, and you have the chance to be part of it from the very beginning. Join us as we explore how you can be part of this incredible story. Let's dive in and discover the endless possibilities together. What is GCV? You might have heard this term before, but what does it really mean? And why is it so important for the future of digital currency? GCV stands for Global Consensus Value. It's a unique concept that sets Pi apart from other cryptocurrencies. Unlike the unpredictable ups and downs of traditional crypto markets, GCV is a value determined collectively by the Pi community itself, not by outside speculation or market manipulation. This shared consensus brings a new level of stability and predictability for businesses and individuals alike, making it easier to plan for the future. Accepting Pi becomes less risky because its value is supported by the trust and agreement of millions of real people around the world. Think of GCV as the exchange rate in a brand new digital nation, a nation built on collaboration, transparency, and shared goals. When you join the GCV Industry Alliance, you're not just joining a network, you're speaking the language of this global digital economy, opening doors to new opportunities. Your business becomes instantly visible to millions of Pi users, connecting you to a vibrant, engaged community eager to support businesses that accept Pi. GCV isn't just a number, it's a philosophy rooted in fairness, stability, and the idea that value should be determined by the people who use it. It's about building a user-driven economy where value is agreed upon by the many, not dictated by a few. For businesses, this means having the confidence to plan, invest, and grow, knowing that the value of Pi is anchored by a strong community consensus. Embracing GCV means joining a movement that's redefining what value means in the digital age and helping to shape the future of global commerce. It's a smarter, more community-driven way to do business, one that puts people and progress at the center of the economy. The Pi network is one of the world's largest crypto communities, with tens of millions of active pioneers across every continent. These aren't just users, they're engaged participants, eager to spend Pi on real goods and services. Joining the GCV ecosystem gives you access to a ready-made global customer base. Pioneers are more than consumers, they're advocates who want to see you succeed. This community's diversity and shared purpose create a marketplace without borders. Even small businesses can reach customers worldwide. The GCV ecosystem starts with millions of dedicated members, an unprecedented advantage. Plug your business into this energy and unlock global growth. Want more customers and growth? The GCV Industry Alliance is your gateway. By joining, you signal to millions, "We welcome Pi." Instantly, your business becomes a destination for eager Pi spenders. This isn't passive advertising. Customers are actively searching for you. The Alliance offers tools, guidance, and a network of like-minded entrepreneurs. It standardizes best practices and builds trust for both merchants and consumers. Stand out as an innovator. Accepting Pi sets you apart in a crowded market. Attract not just pioneers, but all customers drawn to forward-thinking brands. It's a powerful, cost-free marketing move. Don't follow trends. Set them by joining the GCV Industry Alliance. The future is waiting. The GCV ecosystem is rolling out the red carpet for new businesses. Join the Alliance and get free promotion to the entire Pi network. Your business will be featured in GCV apps, maps, and directories, reaching millions actively looking for places to spend Pi. This isn't just a one-time boost, it's sustained visibility and brand awareness. From day one, you tap into a ready-made market of eager customers. Pioneers are waiting to use their Pi for real-world value. Be the business they choose. These offers remove barriers and make joining easy. The ecosystem's success is tied to yours. This is a true partnership for growth. Take advantage of these opportunities and watch your business thrive. The GCV ecosystem makes accepting Pi practical with a hybrid payment model. You don't have to go all in on Pi. Accept part Pi, part fiat currency. For example, sell a coffee for half in Pi, half in cash. This flexibility lets you cover costs while attracting new customers. Transactions are simple. Customers pay the fiat portion as usual, then transfer Pi instantly via their wallet app. No complicated steps, just scan a QR code. This model respects your business realities and cash flow needs. As more suppliers accept Pi, you can adjust the ratio. It's a risk-free way to join the digital economy. Attract new customers without disrupting your operations. It's a win-win for everyone. Early adopters always reap the biggest rewards. When you're among the first to embrace a new opportunity, you set yourself up for exponential growth and recognition. By joining the GCV Industry Alliance now, you position your business as a true pioneer, ready to shape the future of commerce within the Pi ecosystem. This bold move sets you apart from the crowd and builds instant trust with the ever-growing Pi community, who are eager to support forward-thinking businesses. Pioneers always remember the businesses that believed in them first, forging lasting relationships and loyalty that can't be bought. You'll be celebrated and promoted by the community, gaining priceless word-of-mouth marketing and organic exposure that money simply can't buy. Early visibility means less competition and more attention from customers who are actively searching for places to spend their Pi. As millions look for places to spend Pi, your business stands out as a trusted destination, attracting new customers and building a loyal base. Claim your spot before the ecosystem gets crowded and competition increases. The best positions go to those who act early. Think of it as securing prime real estate in a booming city. Your business becomes a landmark as the community grows around you. Establish your brand and reputation now. while the spotlight is brightest and the opportunities are greatest. The early adopter advantage won't last forever. As more businesses join, standing out will become harder. Build trust, gain visibility, and capture loyalty for long-term success. Secure your place as a leader in the pie economy. Don't miss this unique window. Take action now and watch your business thrive as the pie ecosystem flourishes. In the GCV ecosystem, loyalty is built on shared purpose, not gimmicks. When pioneers spend pie at your business, it's an act of community support. This creates a powerful emotional bond. Customers choose you because you're part of their tribe. Early and active Alliance members earn deep trust and word-of-mouth promotion. Positive experiences spread quickly, turning customers into advocates. Loyalty here is about shared values, innovation, community, and inclusivity. Embrace pie, and you'll build superfans who bring you more business. This is your chance to create passionate, lasting loyalty. The opportunity is here. Don't wait. The pie community, GCV stability, and early adopter benefits are all within reach. The window for maximum advantage is open now, but won't last. Do you want to compete in the old marketplace or lead in a new one? Joining the GCV Industry Alliance is low risk, high reward. Hybrid payments protect your cash flow. Free promotion gives you instant reach. Every day you wait, early adopter advantages fade. Be the leader in your community, the business everyone talks about. Future-proof your business and secure your legacy. Visit the GCV platforms and sign up. It's simple and powerful. Join a movement building a more inclusive global economy. Millions of pioneers are ready to support you. Take action, your moment is now. Or